Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another beautiful day here in Los Alcázares. It's the 31st of May. It's around about 20 to 9 at night here, and we're sitting around 25 degrees, so it's been an absolute scorcher today. Anyway, I've had a lot of requests to do an update on the strip in Los Alcázares, so the Avenida Río Nalón. So I'm just going to have a wander down there and see what's going on tonight. Now, it is the Northern Soul weekend here, up in the old Senator Hotel, and I believe there's quite a lot of people have flown in for that weekend, and the little train is running them up and down the road. So I don't know if we'll catch any of those Northern Soulers shuffling around to some music. But remember, if we do get some music in the background, then we have to do a little bit of an edit to edit it out so we don't get any copyright strikes from those wonderful guys at YouTube. So let's have a wander around the plaza and the strip to see what's going on. So little artisan market is here. You know, people selling their wares. They're here most weekends now, right through the summer. So you can get various bits and bobs here at those little stalls if you fancy. So I don't know how many people's around tonight, but so we've got Fresco's little restaurant pizzeria. That's now fully open. Good to see people sitting around there outside. It's a lovely evening. And little parking cafe is open as well. Again, people outside just having a wee refreshment. Get to the centre here, we've got Madness. Great coffee in there. Great breakfast if you fancy a breakfast. And we can see that this Bodega del Willy is open as well now. So just people sitting around enjoying the evening. It's all starting to come to life. I can hear music down in the distance here, so I don't know what's going on. But one of the great things about Los Alcázares is there's always something going on. You've got the Tipsy Thistle there in the corner. It's not open in the evenings yet. They do a pretty good breakfast in there, but I don't think they open at night until June. So maybe should be opening any time now. So I seen earlier today when I was down, there's a wee stage set up here at the top of the strip, and I assume that's where the music is coming from. So no doubt we'll have a wee look. And just while I see it, I don't think I've mentioned this before in any of the videos. This is a little shopping mall. Probably all closed now at this time of night. But we'll have a wee quick look. So Space Real Estate there, selling lots of properties. Rosalind's Roof Garden Restaurant. Never even heard of that. Is that still open? Or is that an old poster? Maybe you can let me know. Yeah, so it looks like most of the businesses here have moved. Got the little hairdressers here. Santi's is still in business here. And they've got the little ladies' clothes shop, Vogue's. And this other little shop, Mimo. Little opticians here. And then Tipsy Thistle in the corner. And then that's the entrance to the Economy Cash supermarket if you fancy picking up some bits and bobs. So let's just wander back out onto the strip, and then we'll have a wander down the Avenida Río Nalón. You know, I'm always surprised at the comments that I get when I'm doing these videos. People want to correct my Spanish, which is fine, you know, because I'm still learning. People want to correct me on the names for things. But it did make me laugh. You might have seen one of the videos that I put up recently, where on the thumbnail I was wearing a cartoon sombrero. I've had a few people complain that sombreros are not Spanish, they're Mexican. Almost getting accused of a wee bit of, what do they call it? Is it cultural appropriation or something like that, isn't it? So maybe getting accused of that, I don't know. But anyway, just take it all with a pinch of salt like I do and just laugh it off. Right, so somebody's getting at Laldi down here. So Baldaria's open, sorry, to Baldoria it should be. I think they had a big night last night with the DJ out. So our timing's good because the music's kind of just stopped. Some looks like some glam rock band for the 70s. Gary Glitter tribute band, maybe it is. I don't know. Do you know who they are? Let me know in the comments if you know. People shouting for more. So yeah, quite a few more people around tonight. It being a Saturday night, that's what you'd expect. The guys are just starting up again. Hello there. Just in the corner, Sybarit. Starting to get busy, which is good. Then the little Mexican restaurant. Maybe I should have worn my sombrero there. They might not have complained. And then we've got the restaurant run starting to fill up. Butchie's quite quiet, but Penny Farthing. Paul, how are you, my friend?
Good.
All good? Curry Leaf, open. I'm just going to walk down one side actually and walk back up the other, because otherwise I'll be darting back and forward and I'll give you motion sickness, which is not what I want to do. So you can see lots of the terraces out here busy. Juniper Gin Bar, it's quite busy. Fusion, Mediterranean Indians, quite busy. This is great actually to see the strip picking back up again. All good stuff. Very international, quite a lot of people there. And because the weather's so nice, it's great that people can just sit outdoors and not have to worry about the bad weather. No wind today. It's been a scorching few days. So we've got, just in the corner, it's often missed, so I'm just going to nip past these people here and just try and point them out, because I think they often get overlooked. This little restaurant in the side here, the chef's table, often gets missed. So, you know, consider that as an option if you're looking for somewhere to come for something to eat. And Annie's Bar, always popular in the afternoons. Used to be Petit Bistro. Oh, here's the big, is this the big hen party?
No, this is the little one.
This is the smaller one?
Yeah.
I see Bubbles, I better say hello to Bubbles. Hello Bubbles.
Hi, are you okay?
You're on YouTube?
I'm on YouTube.
You're on YouTube?
Oh well, I'm having an alcoholic drink.
You'll be on YouTube later?
Okay, cheers.
Yeah.
I've gone to bed.
Enjoy your day, ladies. So yeah, so that's one of those group of women is getting married. Next week, I think it is. So Pearl's Place is closed on a Saturday night. Perlitas is always busy. I thought they would have put a load of the Northern Soul guys. There's some friends of mine there. I'll catch you later.
Ole.
All right, Harry's Bar. A few people there. It's never that busy for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe you can tell me. Little higher place, Jessel Car for the bikes, and Hemingway's also decided to close on Saturday nights, which is odd. So we'll just carry on down this side. 19th hole. It's quite quiet tonight actually. They're normally quite busy, but I don't think they've got an act on tonight. Des and Sharon will look after you if you get in there. Just, if you're ever looking to rent a car there, that Easy Wheels rent a car there seems to be very popular with people. They seem to do all-in deals which are quite cheap. So I'm just going to cut round here. So the Garden Restaurant Pizzeria. A lot of tables out, but not many people around. And Bar Bistro Rotterdam is picking up actually as well, which is good. And then just tucked round the side here. Again, easy to miss. is the lounge. They seemingly do really good food in there. We haven't been, but if you consider something, don't forget about these places that are up the wee side streets. Yeah, you will be later. How you doing, all right?
Very good, you?
You don't mind being on video, you're not hiding from anyone. That's because a lot of people go, oh, don't put me on. We'll see you later.
See you later.
Yeah, some more friends of mine there. And a lot of people sitting outside Zarco's, which is always busy. Hello. Always busy, not busy inside tonight because it's a beautiful evening. Busy outside. Great cocktail deals on there if you're looking for a deal. Antonio will look after you in there. I know I said it was a Northern Soul weekend, but maybe that's the Southern Soul. Somebody's lost it, so no Northern Soul for them. And that's the guys with the hats are the stags for the same party. So last one at the bottom here, Cafeteria San Nombre, cafe with no name. Again, it's always very popular and does great food. So that brings us to the bottom of the strip. And I think you've seen it before. If you carry on down across the road there, it takes you down to the Mar Menor, only a couple of minutes walk, where all the beach bars are down there. So let's have a wander back up the other side and see what's happening there. So great to see little ice cream shops open for business again. And then you've got a few of these little shops that sell all the Spanish knickknacks. Fans and flip-flops and dream catchers. If you fancy a dream catcher, there's loads for sale here. Little bowls. McCurry's still not open. I believe there was a bit of controversy with that. We it recently been open then closed again, but don't want to get into that. Another little shop selling lots of knickknacks. Looky men are out in force tonight. Mai Tais are becoming more popular actually. We were down here last week and it was absolutely jammed when we walked past it. More lookies. You can buy loads for these guys. Hola, buenas. You can buy loads for these guys, but bear in mind that if you get caught buying, the police will do you, strangely, but not them. I think it's because they can't catch them. They're all fairly young, fit guys and run well. The buyers are a bit older. Then Punta and Coma is always busy. Got your bags there, ladies, if you fancy some designer bags. Yeah. This is a little baker's panaderia, but I see that they're now serving beer as well. Quite a few people in there. Pink Kiss little shop. And then we've got the estate agent and then a little something special that sells, again, all little souvenirs. Man, the looky men are out in force tonight. I wonder if they compete with each other. Or do they all come to the same supplier? Who knows? Do you know? If you know, let me know in the comments. So, Milo restaurant is quite busy outside. A lot of people in there. And this is a new one that's just opened, I think. El Cortez. Haven't seen that. That shop was lying empty for quite a long time. And it's just opened, so there's quite a few people there, which is great. And then at long last, the Celt Irish Bar has painted the other side that used to be the Greek restaurant. They've got that all painted up as well now to match the colours, and you can see all the signs up there. The Celt Irish Bar, so they're expanding into that right enough. See all the new chairs and tables and everything, so that'll be opening soon. Then we've got a little bubble waffle shop. La Diva restaurant is busy as well. And then we're back to Restaurant Run. So the Run restaurant. So that's we can back up the other side of the strip there. So quite a lot busier tonight, which is great to see. Don't think there's anything else to see. The band I might have just missed the music actually, so hopefully we won't have any copyright strikes on the music. But we'll walk back up the other side of the plaza and let you have a look at that. So they've got the hair braiders, they're always sitting here braiding all the people's hair. You get everything here in Los Alcázares. There's the Gary Glitter Band. I don't know what year they're from, but they were certainly having a ball when I came down earlier. Oh, we're going to get a copyright strike there for a little bit of music in the background there. Hopefully it didn't come out clear. So yeah, so just carrying on. Big Landmark International, which is, I did a video on buying property in Spain, some things to look out for from the estate agent. So have a look at that one if you're considering buying. And then we've got the big Pizzeria Sorel d'Italia. Very popular as well. And that kind of finishes just a big perfume shop and pharmacy in there. Sells all the bits and bobs that you need to look after yourself. Oh, I should mention, if you're thinking about moving currency, from pounds into euros, we use Currencies Direct. And again, I'm not getting paid to say any of this. It's just through my own experience. We use Currencies Direct, all done through their app. Transfers went through in no time at all. No hassle, no fees. It's well worth looking at. I might actually put a wee link to Currencies Direct in the video. And if you are thinking about moving money across, use that wee link and you'll... Little tax lawyers and solicitors. Another little estate agent in that business there. You'll probably just see as I go around here. QML Consulting. Tax and legal. Very good for sorting out any legal stuff that you need. If you're looking to get on the padron or looking to sort out your driving licence or any stuff like that, they're really, really good. Visa help, etc, etc. So, hope you enjoy that wee wander up and down the Avenida Río Nalón. For some reason, people seem to like these videos of the strip, and I get asked to do one every week. I think it's a wee bit much, but I'm not watching them, I'm only making them. So if you'd like to see more regular videos of the Avenida Río Nalón or the strip in Los Alcázares, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that for you. I've got quite a list of videos now based on suggestions from viewers, so I really appreciate that. It's just great to help me build the channel up. So don't forget to like, even better if you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego!